Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to the another session of maths. In the last class we learned a new chapter, that is tens and hundreds. All of you studied that portions? Okay, very good children. Now you know about what is decimals. In this class we are going to study about the place value of chart of that decimals. You know about the place value chart of a whole number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, crore. You know about that. Okay. Now, in this class, we studied about the decimal chart, decimal points, decimal place value chart of a decimals. Okay. Here I draw the decimals, the place value chart of a decimals. Place value chart. Okay. Here number, then lakh, 10,000, 1,000, hundreds, tens, ones. And here represents point. This is decimal or point. Okay. And this is tens, hundreds, thousands. Tens means 1 by 10. Hundreds means 1 by hundreds. Thousands means 1 by thousands. This is the decimals. These decimals from the left part from this decimal is a whole number. That you know. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, like that, etc. Go on. That is the number to the right of the decimal. That is the number to the right, number to the left of the decimal is whole number. Okay, the numbers to the left of the decimal is whole number. And the first number to the right is tens. And the second number to the right of this decimal is hundreds. And the third number to the right of the decimal is thousands. Okay, that is 10 is represented by 1 by 10 and 100 is 1 by 100, thousands is 1 by thousands. Okay, now we are going to do some questions how to write these numbers on this place value chart. Okay, so here the first question is how to write this question. First we count the place value, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, that is 15,000, 1,516.38. 1,516.38. This is in 1,000. That is, this one is in thousands place. So here we write as 1. And 5 is in hundreds place. So here we write 5. Okay. Now this one is in tens place and this 6 is in ones place, and put a point or decimal here. And how to read this number? Not 38, just read this number as 38. So 3 is in tens place and 8 is in hundreds place. So here we write 3 is in tens place and 8 is in the hundreds place. Okay, now here the second question is how to write this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. That is 19,999.64. Okay, so we need first is 19,000. That is 10,000 we need. So here we write 1. Then 9,000 is in 9. Then this 9 is in hundreds place and it is in tens place. It is in ones place. Okay, then put the point here, point or decimal here. Then 6 is in tenth place and 4 is in hundreds. Okay, so our third question is 0.578. 0 is no need to write. If you need, you can write as a 0 here and put a point here. Then 578. 5 is in 1 by 10, 7 is in 1 by 100, 8 is in 1 by 1000. So 5 is in 10th place. So we write as 5 here and 7 in the hundreds place, so we write in 7. 8 is in thousands place, so here we write as 8. Okay, now our 13.02. 13, only ones and tens are here, so from here we write 1 and it is 3. Put a point here and 0, 2. In the 10th place, put a 0, and in hundreds place, we write 2. Okay, then 6.125. 6 is in ones place, so here we write 6 point, then tens, hundreds and thousands. So tens, hundreds, thousands. Now you understood about how to write a number on a place value chart. Okay. Now we are going to study about the expanded form. Expanded form, you know about the expanded form of number. Here we discuss about the decimals. How to write the expanded form of a decimal number. Okay. Our first question is this one. This is how first you count the place value and how to read this. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. That is 2749.458. And you just write in the top side for understand. For understand yourself to understand, you write the place value of this number. This is 9 in ones place. So you just write in a small letter. Okay. Ones and this 10. That is this for this is no need to write in the top side. Just for understand yourself. If you need, then only you can write. Okay. Otherwise, you have made careless mistakes. So that's why I talk like this. Okay. Then it is 100, then 1000. Okay. Then this 4 is in which place? 1 by 10. And it is in 1 by 100 and it is in 1 by 1000. If you are expert in writing this expanded form, then no need to write in the top side. Otherwise, you must write because of you have made so many careless mistakes. So that's careless mistake, you lost the mark. So that's why I talk like this. Okay. Now this 2 into 1000 plus then 7 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus then 9 into 1 plus this 4 into 1 by 10. 4 into 1 by 10 plus this 5 into 1 by 100 plus this 8 into 1 by 1000. Okay. Now the second question is 58.438. Okay. That is how to write this. 58.438. First you write the place value in the top. That is, this is 1 and this is 10. This is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay. So here 5 into 10. 5 into 10 plus then 8 into 1 plus then 4 into 1 by 10 plus 3 into 1 by 100 plus then 8 into 1 by 1000. This is the expanded form of 58.438. Understood, children? How to write? Then the third question is 65.49. Okay, that is 6. First you write in the top, isn't it? So ones, It is tens. It is 1 by 10. It is 1 by 100. Okay. So 6 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 4 into 1 by 10 plus 9 into 1 by 100. Okay. Then the fourth question is 125.125. That is 125.125. This is ones, tens, hundreds, and it is 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 5 into 1 plus 1 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100 plus 5 into 1 by 1000. If you know the place value, correct place value, then you just multiply. That's very simple. For that I told you that you just write in the top the place value. Then you should multiply, and you can write very simple, very easily you can write. Okay, now you understood how to write the expanded form of a decimal number. Okay, so next is 13.65, 156.958, 6.128. These three numbers you can write in the expanded form. So you should write yourself. So you should write self. So that's it. It's a homework. Okay, these three questions you have to done homework. Okay. Now we are going to solve the problems. Okay. Here our first question is 5.345 plus 17.209. So we write this number as 5.345. Then next is 17.209. You should write the numbers in the correct place value. Okay, 17. How to write this 17? 17. Like this. 7 is in ones, 1 is in tens. So 17.209. Okay, children. Now here the sign is plus. Now we add this number, that is 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is what? 14. 14. Here we write 4. Carry over 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. So we write here as 5. Then put a point here. Then 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 we write 2 and carry over 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So we get the number as 22.554. Okay. Here the number is 3 numbers are here. So we should write the place, write the numbers properly. 7.250. The next is 15. 15. See children, how I write this number 15? That is 5 is in ones place. So first I write this 5 in the down of the 7. Okay. And 15.300. Okay. Then 131. So 131.720. Put a plus sign and add this number. 0. Then 5 plus 2, 5 plus 0, 5, and 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So we write 2 here and carry over 1 in the top of this 7. And here point, so we put a point here. Okay. Now 1 plus 7 is 8, and 8 plus 5 is 8 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. We just count, you get 8 plus 5 is 13. Then 13 plus 1 is 14. 14, we write 4 here and carry over 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. We write here as 5 and here it is 1. So we get the number as 154.270. Okay. Now the question number 3 is 6.402 minus 1.729. First we write 6.402 minus 1.729. Put the subtraction sign. 2 minus 9. Is it possible 2 minus 9? It's not possible. We will just borrow from here. But here it is 0. We can't borrow. So we borrow from here. We write here it is, and here it is. From borrowing 1 from here we get 10. Here we get 3. And borrow from 1 from here we get 12. Here we get 9. Understood? Then 12. 12 minus 9 is what? 12 minus 9 is 3. Otherwise you can count this after 9. You just count up to 12. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Then 9 minus 2. Take 9 fingers down 2. You get 7. 3 minus 7. 3 minus is not possible. You just borrow 1 from this 6. We get as 13 and here we get 5. Okay. Then 13 minus 7. Count after 7 up to this 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we get 6. Now 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Put a point here. 4. We get the number as 4.673. Okay. Now here the question is 578.003. 189.720. Okay. 3 minus 0 is, we know, 3. 0 minus 2. We can't. So borrowing here also 0. Borrowing here we get 10. Here we get 7. Okay. Then from this 7 we borrow. So here we get as 7. So from borrowing 1 from here we get 10 and here we get 9. Okay. Then 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is what? That is 8. Then 9. 9 minus 7 is what? 9 minus 7. We get 2. Then 7 minus 9. It's not possible. So we borrow 1 from this 7. Here the 1 is, now it is 6. Here we get 17. After 9, count up to this 17. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we get as 8. So we write here it is 8. Put a point here. 6 minus 8 is not possible. Borrowing 1 from here. Here we get as 4. Then after 8, count up to 16. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we get as 8. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we get the number as 388.283. Okay, understood how to add and subtract. So children, next our question is for 6th to 7th. It is addition and this is subtraction and this addition. So you have to do these problems self. Okay, so that's it's a homework. You have to do this as homework. So children, today's portion, study well. Today itself you study and write the notes and send to me, and write the 2 times also you should send to me. Okay, study today itself. watch the video 2 or 3 times also. After that only you can write the notes and write 2 times. Okay, that's note sent to me, and study well. Thank you.